Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So Born Pretty allowed me to pick out 5 of their jelly polishes. And so thank you to Born Pretty for allowing me to pick out these polishes and doing a video. Well, sending me the polishes to feature in a video. And so this first color is a sheer or a jelly black. It is color 𝑗N49. I believe they have like maybe 60 something jelly colors. You can see how sheer that is. That would be perfect with some black foil lace or some nail stamping on top. The next color is 𝑗N45. I got this color because I wanted to do like kind of like a water look, but I haven't done it yet. I do plan on doing more manis with these jelly colors. And so to me that's like a teal jelly, really a dark color. The next one is a vibrant blue. Is Jelly Nude number 43. Look how vibrant that is. So vibrant. I thought that was really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. And so lately everybody's been doing jelly nails with either nail stamping or sandwiching in, or they call it jelly sandwich or whatever you want to call it, pool nails. And so this color is Jelly Nude 32. Is a yellow. So when I got this color, I was thinking more spring vibes with this color. I actually used this particular color in a mani. And I'm sorry, y'all, my text messages are going on. Next color is Jelly Nude 01. And this is a jelly or milky white. Didn't really give me jelly vibes because look how it's not translucent. Look how much coverage that gets. And so y'all, I am going to use these medium coffin full coverage nail tips from Beetles. I got these off Amazon. And so I'm going in with some Mia Secret Extra Bond. Again, that acts like a double-sided sticky tape. It eliminates the need to apply gel base coat and cure, even though I do have Born Pretty's base coat. Or you can buff the nail. And so again, the color I decided to use was Jelly Nude 32, which is a sheer yellow. So I'm going to paint a thin layer on the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. So one thin layer, and I'm going to cure, and I'll be back with some nail stamping. And so with Born Pretty, I do have a discount code that you can use on their website. If you decide to purchase via the website, I do not have a discount code for their Amazon storefront. So you can purchase via their website, use my discount code, or no discount code if you make a purchase on Amazon. And so I'll have that information in the description box below. And so guys, after the first coat of color, I'm then going to use this Maniology kind of like a mandala plate. And so I'm going to stamp every nail using a white Bam white from Maniology. And so I'm going to apply different images on the nail, and then I'm going to paint another layer of that sheer yellow or jelly yellow on the nail just to cover that up, and then I'm going to get these nails top coated. So as I mentioned earlier, a lot of people are doing these looks, kind of layering them. Some people call it jelly sandwich nails. Some people, I've heard people maybe 5 years ago call them pool nails. You're just kind of sealing in that design. You can do this with some kind of sheer nail stickers, or you could do it with nail foil, but I think stamping is the easiest. What I did notice with the stamping, I should have let the polish dry a little bit more, because or I should have done another coat, so a third coat of gel color after I cured this coat. And so I'm getting that applied to all the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. I got that cured. I'm going in with Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, because I do have some yellow rhinestones that I want to apply to the nail, and I think I did get these off of Amazon. So I'm applying that 6-in-1 nail glue, get the rhinestones placed, and then I will finally get the nails top coated off camera and cured. So guys, here are the finished nails. I thought they were really cute and simple. And of course I want to get these applied with some sticky tabs. And I did apply some additional rhinestones in the center of those images. And so here are the nails on. I don't know how I feel about this length and square, because they're just so boxy. And so again, thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these polishes. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about jelly nails and jelly nail polish. And subscribe to my channel. It's still free 99, y'all. It's still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.